My father-in-law is at the age where he needs extra help in the shower, so I picked up this Carex Compact Shower Stool to help him. I love the fact that there's just a couple of easy steps to assemble it, no tools required, and it's great for his narrow tub. It fits perfectly. Now he can sit while bathing with confidence and security, as the seat is very stable and sturdy, and it's really comfortable to sit on. He likes how it's made out of quality materials, aluminum and hard plastic, with rubber tips on the legs. This will last for years. It's so strong, it holds up to 250 pounds. And with just a few simple clicks, you can adjust the height from 16 to 21 inches. This is a perfect bathroom stool for seniors, the elderly, or the handicapped who can't stand for long periods. And its small footprint means you can use it in just about any size shower or tub. Best of all, it's from Carex, a brand you can trust.